I know it can be very difficult trying to earn money online with CPA marketing. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy any beginner, anyone can get started with right after watching this video to make money online. So as you can see right on the video, this is a free landing page that I created and I used in conjunction with this video right here. And I'm going to show you a preview of this video. So now that you've seen this video, this is the video that I used to promote this landing page and I got a lot of leads. So I'm going to show you how to do everything in today's video. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to cpagrip.com to create an account if you don't have one already, and all you need to do is to click on the register button. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you need to do is to enter your basic information right here and your account will be created right away. So once you create your account, you want to come over to the URL file locker section and you want to create a very similar content locker just like your landing page. And if you come to the comment section, I have changed this comment to make it correlate with this content locker. So if I go through this comment, as you can see right here, it all relates to this content locker. And to create this content locker is very simple. All you need to do from here is to go back and click on create new locker. And the next step is to go over to idplr.com. If you come over to this platform, it allows you download any of these PLR ebooks or PLR products and you can give them away for absolutely free. All you need to do is to come over to the resources section and you want to click on latest 100 products. You can see this is the one I use as an example, YouTube success. So all you need to do is to click on any of these products, and once you do that, it's going to bring you to the page of this product and you can download this product for absolutely free. So now the next step is to just right click on this image and all you need to do is to click on copy image address. So once you do that, you want to come back to your locker and you want to click on this image icon and you want to paste in the image address link right there and you want to click on submit. As you can see, everything looks good. So now you want to make sure to click on this auto show offers. The reason why you want to do this is because if they come over to your landing page and they click on download, it's going to take them to the content locker and you don't want them to click on download again. So once you do that, you want to come over to the HTML section and this is where you'll be able to change this comment. All right, so if you come over here, you can see this cross shot right here. All you need to do is to look for cross shots and you can see this is the comment and you can edit this comment however you want it. So as you can see, I've changed the comment to I really looked for this YouTube guide for ages. So if I come here and I click on refresh, you can see right here the same comment is going to appear. So you can edit all of these comments however you want it. And once you're done changing the comments, all you need to do is to come back to IDPLR and you want to grab the download link, or you can download the ebook and upload it to a Mediafire or Google Drive or wherever you want to upload it to. So once you grab the link, you want to come over to the logged URL section and you want to paste in the link right here. So this is all you need to do to create your content locker in less than 2 minutes. And all you need to do from here is to click on save. So once you do that, the next step is to create a landing page. And by all means, you can use any landing page builder of your choice. All you need to do is to just add the image right here. And you want to add the title of this product and what they're going to learn from this product, and you want to add a download link. So once people come over to your landing page and they click on the download button, as you can see, they are going to be shown this CPA offer. So once they complete any of this offer, they will be redirected to download this ebook from IDPLR. The next step is driving traffic. And before you do that, you want to head over to canva.com to create a very simple video like the one I showed in the beginning of this video. All you need to do is to come over to the video section and you want to come to Instagram Reel. Since people are going to learn how to create a successful YouTube channel and make money from it, all you need to do is to go over to pexels.com and you want to search for something like make money on YouTube. You want to make sure to select videos, and once you do that, you are going to see a lot of videos you can use. You can see this is the exact video I used right here, but feel free to use other videos as well. As you can see, this is also another good example video that you can use as well. So all you need to do is to click on this download icon to download this video to your device. So once you download the video, all you need to do is to import the video to Canva. And to do that, all you need to do is to come over to the upload section and you want to go over to videos. And this way you'll be able to upload the video right here. And once you upload the video, all you just need to do is to go over to the text section, and here you are going to find a lot of text templates that you can use to add text to this video. So it's very simple, and once you create the video, all you need to do is to click on share to download the video. So once you do that, you want to create an Instagram account, and once you create an Instagram account, which I believe everyone knows how to do, all you need to do is to then click on create. So once you click on create, this is where you want to upload the video you made on Canva. So once you upload the video, something like this, all you need to do from here is to then click on next. So you want to type in a very short caption like this, and you want to add some tags to target people who are interested in YouTube. As you can see right here, YouTube beginners, YouTubers, YouTube live. You want to type in very targeted keywords so that Instagram pushes this video to the right audience. And also you want to make sure to add a call to action in your description, something like click link in bio. Right, you want to make sure to have added this landing page to the bio of your account. So once you do this, this is all you need to do to share this video, and once you start getting traffic, you will definitely start earning money. And you want to repeat this same strategy for all of these products right here. And keep in mind, you don't have to use only Instagram. You can come over to TikTok as well, and you want to upload that same video on TikTok. And also you can come over to Facebook as well. You can see right here, you can upload the same video to Facebook Reels as well. If you upload your videos on these three platforms, you will definitely get a lot of traffic to your landing page. And this is how you can start getting conversions and start making money as an absolute beginner.